Hello and welcome to the last homework video. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's an article to read, and it's just about setting up your classroom. So as we wrap up the semester, what would your classroom look like? Some ideas. Underneath that also, watch the video, and it's about the science of reading. Add notes to page 124 and then submit page 124. Continue studying for the test, and then the professionalism final rubric is due on December 1st, and you can either type it or use one of these notebook pages. Okay, and submit that on or before December 1st. Okay, I'll see you in class. Study for the test. Bye.